Hey guys, welcome to this channel. Let's solve Leetcode problem 2325, decode the message. So you can read the description of the problem very carefully. I will go straight to the solution part. So basically we are given a key, and for that given key we need to decode the message. So here you can see in the line number 3 we are removing the empty spaces, because empty spaces does not decode to any of the string in the given message. So that's why in the key we are simply decoding the empty spaces, and thereafter we are creating an array, and in this array L we will traverse through all the elements in the key, and we'll check whether this element is already in our array or not. Because remember, in this problem it is clearly mentioned that we should consider only the first appearance of any string in the key. So that's why we are checking. If it is already there in our array, we will not consider that. So here you can see there is we are creating a dictionary D, and we'll look in the line number 3 we going through the for loop, which will zip that character that we have got in our empty in our array L, and the ASCII lower character, which is nothing but A B C D in lowercase. So we are simply mapping that value which is available in the key, and to that ASCII lower character. And in line number 11 you can see we are empty, like for empty string we are assigning empty string only, because messages can contain empty string, right? And we need to keep intact of that construct of the message. So that's why we are assigning empty string to that in the dictionary. In the line number 2 we are simply returning that messages, decoding the message. So basically if for whatever string that I have in our message, it will simply map that along with the key. We have done it here already. So in the it is a linear time complexity. If you see, basically it will take only that a linear time, and if I submit it, uh, you can see it is pending. Yeah, it is accepted. So yeah, so that's the easy problem, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know if you have any doubt.